Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week's recipe review are soft and chewy peanut butter cookies from Displaced Housewife. They're described as having the ideal bendy cookie texture, are made in a single bowl, and are ready in 30 minutes. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so these peanut butter cookies turned out really nice and were easy to make. There were a few things that attracted me to this recipe. One, they are soft and chewy, and also the cookie dough is rolled in sugar before baking. I've never made peanut butter cookies that way before, and it sounded interesting. I bake these for 12 minutes and then let them cool on the cookie sheet for 20 minutes. Then I transfer them to a rack to finish cooling. I ended up with a total of 29 cookies. For the rolling sugar, the recipe said to use 1/2 cup, but I needed closer to a full cup of sugar. I love how that creates a nice crinkle on top of the cookies. It's different from the standard crisscross pattern that's made with a fork, and I like that they look nice. Before I did the taste test, I wanted to see if they really were soft and chewy, and you can see that it was. Now to see how it tasted. It was most definitely soft, chewy, and delicious. The peanut butter was obviously the predominant flavor, and it was not overly sweet. It had just the right amount of sweetness, even after being rolled in the sugar. It tasted like a cross between a peanut butter cookie and a sugar cookie. It's like getting both in one bite, and I loved it. I also enjoyed the soft crinkle on the top. It was a nice contrast and complement to the softness of the cookie. I prefer soft peanut butter cookies over those that are crumbly. They're not only less messy to eat, but they also taste fresher than hard ones. Overall, these are 100-star cookies. I loved everything about them, and the sugar coating on top was a nice bonus. These will be my go-to peanut butter cookies in the future, and I highly recommend giving them a try. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my other reviews in my cookies playlist.